So I wanted to just show you guys another way of thinking about exercise 3 that might make a little more sense than what was shown in the eMath instruction video. He multiplied both sides by 30, which is totally fine. Some of you guys might be more comfortable with just getting common denominators for each fraction. So by that I mean we would have a common denominator of 30. And to get there, we would multiply our first fraction by 5 over 5. And then we would multiply our second fraction by 3 over 3. And then our final fraction by 2 over 2. Now, when we do that, each denominator ends up being 30. So in the top numerator we have 5x minus 20, we have 3x minus 6, and we have 62. So what we could think about doing is multiply both sides now by 30. And what that would do is it would simplify out all our denominators, and we'd be just left with 5x minus 20 plus 3x minus 6 equals 62. So now it's just like what we had in the other video, where we end up getting 8x minus 26 equals 62, 8x equaling 88, and x equaling 11. So in the other video, he did it all in really backward steps. So he went A and B. We did it sort of as B and A, where we got the common denominator and then multiplied by 30. Either way works. Totally your preference on how you would look and solve this problem.